Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay joined to the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much to my returning supporters. I love you guys, appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you. So today's video we're going to be try on and talking about this serum from ELEMIS. You guys know I love ELEMIS product, and I am a huge fan. So this one is a new product that I've been experimenting with, and this product is amazing. This is the Pro-Collagen Future Restore Serum. This serum restore your skin, stimulate collagen, and make your skin looking plumpier and beautiful. If you wanna know more about this, just keep watching. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on the skin. So let's do this. Let me remove this makeup so we can get this show on the road. But this product is really good for mature skin, for firming and plumping your skin. You guys know with time, with age, we lose elasticity on your skin, and everything tends to come down, and this is gonna help with just like firm everything. Science behind this. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more as we try it on. All right, and the link for this beauty and ELEMIS is going to be on the description of this video if you guys decide to try them out. So let's try this beauty on. Let's talk about this amazing serum from ELEMIS. This is the Pro-Collagen Future Restore Serum Advanced Firming Complex. This is very potent. As we age, collagen declines on the skin, and this serum actually targets that on your skin to help to firm the skin, volumize the skin, smooth fine lines and wrinkles. And this is clinically proven to as little as 4 days to firm your skin up to 46% and reduce wrinkles and fine lines in as little as 4 days. In only 14 days, boost elasticity, and in as little as 4 weeks, people saw a boost of 42% in skin density improvement. They experience a more fuller, voluminous looking skin. So I'm really loving this product. These have the world's first exclusive ELEMIS Opal Skin Algae Complex. That opals of the sea. It's known to be rich in vitamins and fatty acids to help skin health, complexion, and density, which is great. This is magic in a bottle. I'm looking forward to keep using. After using my serum, I like to go in with my ELEMIS cream. Alright, so now let's go in with our Pro-Collagen Marine Cream de Joie. If your skin is needing hydration, this is the cream, and this cream feels so amazing on the skin, so luxurious, so soft. So I've been using this duo lately. My skin is actually looking and feeling really beautiful. Skin prepare, skin smells and feels so good. I know some people don't like scents on skincare. I love it. I'm sorry, a good smelling cream I'm out for. So I'm going to add more info about this serum on the description of this video if you guys want to try them out, and I'm going to tag ELEMIS here. You guys know I'm a huge ELEMIS fan. I've been a fan of them many years, even way before I started dreaming of filming content. I was already using the product and I was a fan. So why? Because they works. They're amazing. Alright, so thanks so much for watching this video, and thank you ELEMIS for sending me this beauty. I am loving it. I so happy the way my skin is looking. Alright, so thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. See you guys later. If you guys want to try them out, and I'm gonna tag ELEMIS here. Bye.